Hey guys, I'm Johan Villanueva or Kabita Tech, and in today's video, we're unboxing and giving a quick hands-on review of the Huawei Wi-Fi 2017, the predecessor of the Wi-Fi 2, which I reviewed a while back. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So before I start, I would like to thank Esquire Tech Group for lending me this unit. Esquire is an aftermarket service company that specializes in repairing and refurbishing phones, tablets, laptops, and more. I suggest you check them out in the description box down below. So in the bright blue Huawei box, you'll see the phone itself wrapped in plastic, as well as a quick start guide, a warranty card, a power brick, USB cable, and a black earphone. Already tucked on the phone is the case that is free with every purchase of the Wi-Fi 2017. Now, with that out of the way, let's focus on the phone itself. It feels really good with the textured plastic on the back, which is actually a removable one. It exposes the advantages of this phone, the triple slots. It has slots for SIM 1, SIM 2, and the micro SD card. It also shows the 3000 mAh battery, which unfortunately is non-removable. On the sides, you'll see the power button, the volume buttons, and the top leaves the headphone jack, and on the bottom houses the micro USB port and the stereo speakers, which is quite loud actually. And on the side is a special button which you can use to toggle shortcuts or commands on this phone, like opening the flashlight or camera. On the front is the IPS LCD 5-inch panel, which is quite bright and viewable outside. On the top of that is the 5-megapixel camera with flash, and on the flip side is the 8-megapixel rear shooter with an aperture of f2.0. Here are the samples. Powering this is the MediaTek MT67370T, which is a quad-core processor on top of EMUI 4.1 with 2GB of RAM. Daily tasks are okay and gaming is good enough as it performs really well on Nova Legacy and Mobile Legends. You can keep all those games in the 16GB of onboard storage and expand it using the micro SD slot. So overall, this is a decent phone from Huawei, but does it stack up to the competition? I'll answer that in the full review. But that's about it guys, thanks for watching. Again, I'm Kabita Tech or Johan Villanueva, and I'll see you on the next video.